Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will compare the Audi A3 versus S3. We'll explore their key differences, helping you decide which model best suits your needs. The A3 is Audi's entry-level luxury sedan, prioritizing a smooth ride and fuel economy. In contrast, the S3 takes that foundation and injects a serious dose of performance, appealing to those who crave a more exhilarating driving experience. Let's dive into the specifics. When it comes to performance, the differences are quite stark. The A3's 2.0-liter engine provides ample power for daily driving, delivering a balanced and comfortable ride. However, the S3 truly shines with its enhanced engine, offering a substantial increase in horsepower and torque. This translates to a much more aggressive acceleration and a sportier overall feel, making it a thrill to drive on winding roads. Hey everyone, quick break from our Audi comparison. If you're enjoying the video and finding it useful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. It really helps the channel grow. And on another note, after a spirited drive in either an A3 or S3, you'll probably be hungry. Make meal prep a breeze with these fantastic leak-proof containers, perfect for keeping your snacks and meals fresh. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video. Inside, both the A3 and S3 provide a luxurious Audi experience with high-quality materials and advanced technology. The A3 offers a comfortable and well-appointed cabin, perfect for everyday commutes. The S3 elevates this with sportier accents, like unique seating and steering wheel designs, emphasizing its performance pedigree. While the S3 costs more upfront, its stronger performance and additional features often lead to better long-term value.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.